G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a short tutorial on how to jump logs on a dirt bike. I'll go over the punch, or as it's sometimes called, double blip technique. You want to approach the log as square as possible and be in the attack position with one finger on the clutch. About half a bike length from the log, you want to compress the suspension by jumping down on the foot pegs or a slight touch of the front brake. As it starts to rebound, you want to lean back a little and give a pop of the clutch and a slight blip of the throttle to lift the front wheel up. You want to aim to hit the log about 2/3 of the way up with the front wheel. This for me is a hard part to overcome when learning them, as I would always tend to hit the log about the 3/4 mark, and this wouldn't compress the suspension enough to give me any lift on the rear wheel, and it's also tend to send you pretty nose down very quick on the other side of the log. Once you hit the log and compress the front suspension, the rear will compress also. When it rebounds, this is where you need the second blip of the throttle to maximize the traction and lift on the rear wheel as it comes off the ground. If you've done it right, the rear wheel will hit the log around the middle or slightly higher, and you'll be in a position to leave the log in a nose high, sort of wheelie type position. It took me a while to work out the sweet spot to hit on the log, and it's pretty nerve-wracking at first because it feels very unnatural to hit the log so low with the front wheel. Watching some of my log jumps back in slow motion, I can see I need to apply more lift to the bike, as in like a bicycle bunny hop, after the suspension unloads to try to help me get more lift on the rear wheel and get it higher onto the log. You can start learning this technique on small logs and then progress to larger ones as you gain more confidence. Thanks for watching. I'll try to get some more videos out soon. See ya.